What's good, guys? Today we're back with another outfit video where I'll be styling 5 different pairs of shoes. Like I said in the previous video, this is something new, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all think so I can continue to improve and make it better for your viewing pleasure. So let's get into it.
Into the paranormal.
First up, I'll be styling the Nike Dunk Low Dusty Olives. For my head, I just have a simple basic Amazon beanie. Then we're rocking with the Abercrombie and Fitch suede bomber jacket. Below that jacket, I was rocking with the Hanes Beefy tee with a pair of Aeropostale jeans. Surprisingly, a lot of people don't rock with them, but I love them. So as long as it's good quality, we're cool with that. For the next outfit, we're going with the Cactus Plant Flea Market Air Flea 2s. On my head, I'm rocking the white socks, black snapback. And then I actually got this cardigan from PacSun, which I love. And then for our shirt, we just have a simple Fashion Nova cream shirt because I didn't want to do too much with this fit. And then we have the somewhat relaxed to skinny fitting Hollister jeans on our bottoms. Hey, just popping in as always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, this is something new that I'm doing on the channel, so all feedback is welcome, so that way I can tweak the videos and make them as best as possible for y'all. So let's get back into it. Next up, I'm rocking an outfit with the Nike Blazers that I customized, I think 2 or 3 years ago with the Earthworm gym theme. On my head, I have the Goodfellows blue beanie that I picked up from Target. And then we have the Cabela's flannel, as well as the self-care shirt that I picked up from PacSun under that. And then to finish this outfit off, rock these olive green cargo pants that I picked up from the Amazon Basics store. So next up, I'm styling the New Balance 990 V6 turducken that I recently made. This fit starts out with the Aeropostale light wash denim jacket that I picked up, and then under that I have this PacSun racing shirt to kind of pull all the colors together. And then just so I didn't do too much on the bottom, I just went with the simple fashionnova gray joggers. And for my last fit, I'll be rocking another PAiRANORMAL's Creators hoodie in the pink colorway with the blue lettering. And then we picked up some jeans from Fashion Nova that has the zippers on the side, distress, this wash acid type of look to them. And then we're rocking the Air Jordan 6 Wild Berries. Thank you guys for sticking throughout this video. Now I'm gonna give you a motivational quote. It is better to fail in originality than to succeed in imitation. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.